Welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna show you my ADR trades. The trades I took today this morning, and I'm already finished with them. 2 were winners. I closed 2, 1 in minus and 1 in profit, so 2 were break even. So I had 4 trades open and 2 were profits. It's amazing to trade towards the ADR. Okay, here we have the 4 pairs that I traded today. AUD-JPY, GBPJPY, NZDCAD, EURCAD. I scan all forex pairs in the morning around 8 o'clock. After that, I decide which pairs I want to trade. I risk 1% per trade and my profit targets is around 1% to 1.25%. I have explained this strategy in detail in another video, so I will not go through that today. But in short, I trade towards one of the ADR lines. ADR stands for average daily range, and these lines show me how much each currency pair moves on average per day. This means that I have around 50% chance of being right. A little less because the price can move to my stop loss before turning towards the ADR. But my win rate is around 50 to 55% of this strategy so far. Let's go over the 4 trades to see why I took them. It's so damn simple. AUD-JPY. Looking to the left, I see an uptrend for the last couple of days, and today we did a big drop where I expect the price to retrace from. So I entered a buy position towards the upper ADR. I closed this position together with the NZDCAD trade that was in drawdown to be break even on them both, as I had 2 other winners that I'm gonna talk about next. GBPJPY. This trade was a beautiful trade. I took a buy position due to the clear uptrend looking back a few days. I just ride the wave straight to profit. EURCAD. The last 2 days before today had major pushes to the downside, and today I saw a slow movement up, so I just tagged along to see how far it would move, and it moved all the way to my take profit without much of a problem. NZDCAD. We had a major push down this Friday, and today we consolidated. There is a recurring pattern that is impulse, correction, impulse, so I can assume there will be an impulse to the downside. What's talking against my position is that I trade away from the daily pivot point you see as the orange line. This price has an 83% chance of price moving to every day. When I saw the price starting to move against the daily pivot point, I felt that I wanted to close it. This trade was my only losing trade, but together with the AUD-JPY position, which I closed at the same time, I ended up at a more or less break even for these 2 positions. In total, I banked $2,266 in under 3 hours. Pretty amazing. As you see, my analyses are dead simple, and when we trade, all we need to do is decide, should we buy or should we sell? Using the ADR, simple price action, and a wide stop loss as I do with a 1-to-1 risk to reward or slightly better, we give the trades room to breathe and don't get stopped out so fast, and you can bank a lot of money doing this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to get notified on my next video. Peace.